Hi, this is Teresa Florette, aka the Wig Whisperer. Yeah, I'm still the Wig Whisperer. And Black Gold, Texas tea. That's me. Whoop. Listen to these birds. Austin, Texas. Come on now. They have nests up there, and the nests are made of plastic bags, some sticks, and other things. These are black birds. They look like crows, of Chicago crows, but they have a distinct sound to them. I wish they break it out right now. They are all over HEB. I don't know why they're always all over HEB. HEB is a store in Austin, Texas. It's like Jewel in Chicago. Listen to that sound. Isn't that beautiful? It sounds like a Kodak camera. You know, remember the Kodak camera? You used to take it and wind it. Not right now. You'll hear it. Listen closely. Yeah, it's beautiful. I wish they had place to sit over here. They do at the bus stop, but I'm not at the bus stop. Listen to that. I don't know if you can see them. This is beautiful. Okay. Yes, I'm enjoying this day. I could sit on this beautiful rock here. Okay, yeah, that's what I'll do. Have a blessed day. Ooh. I had to take my shoe off for a minute. I need to drink more water today. I haven't been very good drinking water today. If I don't drink my water, my feet get kind of crampy. So, have a blessed day.